Wavelet Toolbox provides apps and functions that enable you to analyze and extract features from images and time series data. You can use the toolbox to denoise images and time series data, compress images while maintaining perceptual quality, detect edges and features with different orientations. You can also use the toolbox to analyze signal power jointly in time and frequency, detect and localize transients and change points in time series data, and determine optimal signal representations with matching pursuit. The continuous wavelet algorithms and apps can be used for reconstructing time and frequency localized approximations to signals, analyzing images in space, frequency, orientation, and identifying coherent time varying oscillations in two signals. For instance, the arrows in this wavelet coherence plot help determine the relative lag between two signals, and the white dashed line indicates points where the coherence estimates are reliable. The discrete wavelet and the wavelet packet algorithms can be used for analyzing signal variability and correlation between signals on multiple scales. The toolbox supports a number of wavelet families. You can extend the wavelet algorithms in the toolbox by incorporating custom wavelets, and you can also design and implement perfect reconstruction filter banks using lifting. For more information on the wavelet toolbox, please return to the product page.